Indian headgears or turban played a very prominent role in Indian society in olden days, making the social life more colorful and attractive. Haryanavi turban. Haryanavi turban is called as khindka in Haryanavi language and is part of traditional dress in Haryana. Khindka is a cloth of any color tied in specific style. This is mostly seen in Haryanavi cultural dance and other important ceremonies. Hornbill warrior cap. Hornbill is a very rare bird. The number of hornbill feathers used on the headgears is like medals of achievements. It was used by the Naga clan. The Naga has to achieve success to climb the number of feathers used on his headgear. Gujarati turban. In Gujarat, the turban is called fento, which is basically a large and loosely rolled turban. The men in the rural parts of the state usually wear the traditional thickly folded turban on their head along with the cotton dress called korno. Bright colors are generally chosen for the fento, which gives it an attractive look. Bison horn Maria tribe cap. Bison horn Maria is one of the ancient tribal groups of central India. This tribal community of Chhattisgarh derived their name from their unique custom of wearing distinctive headdress which resembles the horns of bison. They wear this headdress for dance during marriage or other ceremonies. The headdress is nowadays made of cattle horns because of the scarcity of bison horns. This basically has a frame of bamboo and is decorated with feathers of peacock or chicken and hanging cowrie shell strings. The bison horn headgear is passed from one generation to the other. Rajasthani turban. Rajasthan is known for exhibiting wide diversity. One gets to see different styles of turbans from one city to another. In Rajasthan, the turban is known as pagdi or safa. There are certain parts in Rajasthan where the size of turban is evocative to the position and status of the person in society. Himachali cap. The typical Kulu cap in shades of grey or brown and flat on the top is a striking headgear. A band of colorful woven fabric brightens the front and the top looks rather neatly set at a rakish angle. Angami tribe cap. Angami Naga men wear a giant structure made of bamboo stripes and cords of white cotton, topped with hornbill feathers. In the olden days, warriors had to prove their valor to wear this headgear. Jappi cap. The jappi or jappi is a traditional conical hat from Assam. It is composed of closely knit cane staff bundled together as clusters or japs of the leaves of the toku, a palm tree. The jappi is mainly used as a ceremonial or cultural attire. Plain jappi were used by ordinary Indians for protection from the sun. Ornate jappi were worn as status symbol by Assamese royalty and nobility. It is placed as a decorative item around the house near the front door as a welcome sign.